I'm like that kid at the lunch table that has a really bad lunch, and I'm just watching the kid with a really good lunch eat. Hey, can I have a French fry? You want a piece of celery? Alrighty then, welcome back. And guess what we're doing today, Brandy?
What are we doing?
We're doing the Oreo versus real challenge.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
I know. The best part about this is there are no losers. Either like you're gonna eat an apple pie flavored Oreo and wash it down with some real apple pie, or I'm gonna eat apple pie and wash it down with some apple pie Oreo.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's get it started. Bring in the
Come
Oreos!
on, let's do it.
Round one, I have to decide whether to stay or trade.
Or switch.
Or switch.
Stay
or switch. I'm going to stay. Okay?
1,
2, 3.
Yeah. Oh man.
Oh, yes!
I don't want this.
Yes! Yeah.
I thought there were no losers.
Oh, look at. Oh. Oh, smell it. No, you can't. Oh.
Oh. I want an Oreo one.
I'm having a much more
Delicious.
pleasant experience over here.
Now we need to trade. So. Oh, I'm having a much pleasant experience over here.
I would take the Oreos, but if I ever had dry mouth, this right here, I just look at it and my mouth starts watering. Round number 2.
Okay, it is my turn to decide if I'm gonna switch or stay. I'm gonna switch.
Switching it.
Oh, that feels light. How's this, heavy? Oh, fine.
Oh, 1.
2, 3.
What? Yo! Yo!
Well, guess joke's on you. I love coconut.
So thin.
Yeah, that's really, really thin. Let me try this.
I really do. How about if you take this? Take this. Sprinkle it on there like so. I do like the texture of the coconut.
I'm gonna have to say I like the Oreo better. You add this and this together,
Oh.
you make some magic.
Make some magic. And if for those that don't know, smagic is when you're making a lot of magic.
Magic.
Magic!
Round 3, let's go.
Let's do it, round 3! All right! I am going to
Choose wisely.
switch.
Okay. Good choice. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I want an Oreo.
Smell that. I got it.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah,
I love this one.
I love you.
I love you so much.
Apple pie Oreo. Why are you so good to me? I don't deserve it.
We're really like breaking these flavors down.
It's cinnamon,
Yeah. It's like Thanksgiving.
hint of sugar.
I'm thankful for you. If
Like
I
you-
go to a Thanksgiving dinner and they only feed me Oreo version of Thanksgiving dinner, I would
Like a
appreciate it.
Turkey Oreo.
Okay, not that.
Oh.
You know,
Make a decision like you have been making, because I just been eating Oreos and it's been great. This chair is bouncing, making me bounce. Chair is bouncing, making me bounce.
these Oreos are getting to his head.
Making me bounce.
I'm gonna switch, okay? Let's switch. Let's keep it going. 1, 2, 3, yeah!
Yes!
Stuck here.
That's great.
It's just, oops. I love red velvet.
That was good.
How was that? Is that just cream cheese?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. Oh.
that's pretty good.
Oh my God. This is the best thing I've ever had. I want to cry, it's so good. Hands down. This is all I want in life.
I kind of like
Forever
the
and
classic.
ever. Yeah?
I'm digging the classic. I like the sponginess. I like the airiness. It's got chunks of chunks of chocolate right in there.
Okay, let's move on. But first, I'm gonna eat all of these.
Yeah, first one.
Yeah.
We're gonna just one.
We'll be right back.
Just one more minute. Just me. Round delicious.
I'm in heaven.
Should I stay or should I go? I'm gonna stay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Please be Oreo. Yeah!
Yes, it's cake.
Look at this.
Oh.
Fun. Look at this fun time happening here. Looks like beautiful unicorn throw up. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. It's so sweet, but it's so good.
That's so good.
This is the sweetest Oreo I've ever had.
Cake though, right?
I think this one.
I think this one.
Well, then we're just gonna do this. Okay, on to the next round. I'm getting crazy from all this sugar. I'm going to stay.
Okay.
Surprise.
1, 2, 3. Oh yes, I win this one. It's no. You lost.
Please.
Stop it. You gotta eat yours first.
Dalton. Hey, that looks really good. Could I try a little?
How about yours? It's uneaten. You should probably. Oh. I don't know whether to eat it or lay in it.
I also want that.
Oh.
Could I maybe have some? Yes! Thank you.
Oh.
Try this.
No. Yes. I don't know if the people at Oreo have ever eaten a Cinnabon.
No.
But
They're just like, I don't know,
Man.
graham crackers, close enough.
this one wins.
You win.
I think we need another round. We need another round? We should do another round of this one to see, just to make sure. Yeah.
Let's see. Switch or stay? I'm gonna stay.
I'm gonna switch. Can I okay, good, great. Move, back away. Okay, I'm so sad to say this is the last round, Brandy.
Oh, please. I want it forever.
After this, we gotta go back to eating regular food.
Regular breakfast?
Like salads.
Ew!
Dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna switch.
Okay, switcheroo, the last one.
1,
oh, this
2,
is hot.
3.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you win! Dang it!
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm like that kid at the lunch table that has a really bad lunch, and I'm just watching the kid with a really good lunch eat. Hey, can I have a French fry? You want a piece of celery? You know what I'm gonna do?
Oh. How was that by itself?
That was good.
Yeah? I've had way too much sugar. Because, I guess that's the syrup, huh?
A dollop of syrup. Yep. Tastes just like waffles.
Oreo. Dalton, which is your favorite one?
I don't know. I really like this, but I'm telling you, if I could, this is like having waffles and syrup in my pocket,
Yeah.
which I think makes it the winner.
This is sticky, and this is nice and easy.
Nice and clean.
With the same flavor.
I'm gonna go with this.
Yeah.
Oreo!
Oreos win.
Why are you so messy? We literally have utensils and she still gets it everywhere. How does this happen?
Okay, so the moral of this story is Oreos will always win. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
And if you have a Flavlet Oreo flavor,
Flavlet.
it's a new thing, hashtag Flavlet.
Hashtag Flavlet.
It's
Let's
favorite
get it
and
trending.
flavor, Flavlet. And put it down in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, I'm Brandy.
And I'm Dalton.
This is Pocket Watch. You're our Flavlet.
You're our Flavlet people. Bye!